Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is an amazing video for you of Nigerian musician Okikiola Habib aka Portable during the Aylive show in 2022 where he mistakenly knocked down the host who is AY Ayo Makun. So guys, watch the video and watch the amazing moment Nigerian billionaire businessman Emoney gave Portable bundles of cash. The most hilarious scene in this video is when Emoney handed over the cash to Portable, and in order to avoid being ripped off of the cash, he ran away from the stage, which prompted AY to come out to also ask for his own cash by acting as a mad person, which at the end he told people at the event that in Lagos, either you act as a mad person to get the funds or you act normal and be broke. So guys, as you watch the video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification.
Emoney table Zazuu, Emi wewe comedian, Emi wewe comedian. My bog batao, children shake conquer. God will punish you. Emoney punish you. God will punish you. Punish your wife. Zazuu, Otira table with 5 other billionaires. Zazuu, Onifumilowo. If you don't want God to punish you, let your bundle come out. Let your bundle come out. Zazuu, I just bump Pekin. I just bump Pekin. I just bump Pekin. You know how much be baby food. You know how much be baby food. When last you bump Pekin? When last you bump Pekin? Hey, Zazuu, Zazuu, Zazuu. Emoney, God will punish me. God will punish me. God will punish me. Zazuu. Hey, stop that song. Stop that song. Hey, now my money want to go to honeymoon. You the grace. Hey. So you have to be mad in Lagos to make money. Can you imagine? Who corporate help? Who packaging help? Akbarero. Anybody who born twins. Even one when I born, I know how much you take the feeder. Don't talk of twins. Come. This man is my fellow man in the fatherhood business. As he sees there's spray me money, he show his face. Now, the way it works for people like us, we know how to share the money. I know your pain. Your pain is my pain. What is your problem?
Diaper don't put money, that's the problem.
Diapers, don't worry. Hold this one first. Please put your hands together. I will hold this one. There is love in sharing for diapers. Yeah. Okay. Igbo boy, not go give me.
I hold that one for you for back.
You want keep her for me? My wife don't see you. If you not give me, God will punish you. God will punish you. You will die. Why not they shout? If you don't want to die, go give me my money now.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Until next time, we'll bring you another delightful and much interesting video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like, share, and drop your comments right in the comment section.